catch you, he's gum you, he's squish you, he's fun you. D-O-E-Y. He's silly, he's goo you, he's sticky, he's glue you. D-O-E-Y.
Look at all the colors.
So many toys and one. Triple time the friend and triple time the fun. D-O-E-Y. Love until the day that you die.
Call the number on screen and order your joy today. Order now while supplies last. Shipping and handling costs may vary. Do not ingest or deliver any products in the video box.
What's the time?
This one! I don't open this one! I knew it! This is the one I wanted!
There's a card too, dear. Open the card.
We're going to the Playtime factory?
That's right, honey. Jack, don't wander off. Stay right here with them. He's not listening to a thing I say, is he?
Not even a little bit.
Everyone, shut down the machine! Do you hear me? Somebody shut off that camera!
No! Hold on, Kissy! I'm coming! Listen, go on ahead. Don't wait for me. I won't leave Kissy behind, and I won't sacrifice our plan. Not because of me. Just be careful. Down here, it's not like anything you've seen above. It's not trying to hide what it is. It's hell. And Playtime wanted it to be. But we have allies down here. Get to them. There's still time to save the orphans. Follow the red smoke. And look out for...
عقب بيت أنا كنت كسلت تغديش بيت سنتي
Poppy Playtime Chapter 4
buong mikrofon ngayon ito kasangit to Kiusap mo na ito kami Singisakang na kong nga makiusap kami Suli Bisang anak na dati hindi kong nira Nagtako ni ko ha Nagtako dun Daba Naku yung ano Ito ang sa taas Nagtako jiswa ka Ito ang sayo na
Caution. For those involved with our construction processes, we caution your use of combustion or heat-based elements within environments containing red smoke due to the nature of its composition. When exposed to the right pressure conditions, the gas has been tested to react to high temperatures. While its use above can be regulated by environmental sensors and the correct filter equipment, the environments below are not yet afforded such luxuries, which is why the advanced piping leading from our production center above is first on your docket. With higher natural pressure below the matter is all the more urgent we caution against the use of lighters, lanterns and other smaller objects that produce heat for necessary machinery. We require the use of nitrous cooling equipment to stabilize vehicle temperatures. As always, we wish for quick and efficient work. However we might help in this matter, simply let us know. Our thanks, the science staff.
Ikos. Spille pisang narang nayak pa siya. Tamam tahay toy naksasinniku Tava kissipinga tikiri pa Ana kissiping Tamana kississuara mikrofonin ngatakunko Mikrofonin ngatakuneresaakku ayuluum Tava spillingerlatinniartariaqassuara Nuusarsuukkua nuunnaringilak saupiner Ida Numeraat qartussal Anga Ikunga Squeeze Kisimus pillilarpaattaleqsimava Nonlange pakatakkoinuus Qaqarpassuunu Nami Tumasan ganas Sangat dark Sono quota con rocca Up copy.
Riley Journal, entry number 4. The room started moving. I'm not sure what that means, or where I might be going. I'm scared, but I'm trying to. Something happened. Everything is upside down. There's a hole in the room, but everything outside is so loud. There's screaming everywhere. I'm better off in here, for now. I'll cover the hole with something. It sounds like everything is quiet now. Don't think it's even been an hour since it all started. No one's tried to get in here. I think I'm going to head outside. There are bodies everywhere, piles and piles. They look like me. Oh god, what's happening? Finally calmed down. Have to be calm. Have to think clearly. Have to get out. I'm going to see if anyone is around. There's a man inside the construction vehicle. I tried banging on the glass. I don't think he can hear me, and he isn't moving. Have to get back to my room where it's safe. Figure out what happens now.
Còn đeo cái symbol ngã sẽ đâm mê không đọc.
Hey, it's me again, Ollie. I wanted to talk to you. Before you go inside, I mean. Everything you've seen out here, the piles, the dead, they all came from inside. Believe me, everything Poppy said about this place is true. It's hell. But she also hasn't seen it like I have. It's worse now. Worse than ever. Just try to stay safe. Please. Don't let your guard down for even a second. I'll try to help you when I can.
Maria. Ha ha ha. Real. Bằng đất có xuống đó.
Hey, Cole.
Hey, Norm.
2 o'clock, huh? Best time of the day.
Yeah.
So, what block are you again?
North.
Can't say I hear much about that one.
You wouldn't.
High security?
Highest security.
Cushy. No, we get in the east. Toys banging on the walls, crying for their parents, their counselors, whatever. It goes all day and night, and it just wears on you, you know? I'd kill for a little security. And quiet.
Right. Right. Know what we get in the North? Things. Whatever they aren't people anymore.
Their cells might as well be cages. They are animals. Sick. Twisted. Just instincts and anger. That's all that's left of them. Sure, but at least then it's not like yelling at your own kids for them to be quiet, though, you know? I mean, if you had to listen to them... Oh, great.
So much for our 2 o'clock.
Yeah, we really do have it rough, don't we?
Kemudian untuk suara siat. To parish, okay. One parish. Okay.
Now what's this? Do I feel something squirming its way beneath my skin? An invasive foreign little germ. After all this time? Ah, but I see. You. Well, little germ, let's make a game of you. You've blundered along the shadows above, and only managed to squirm all the way down here by the barest skin of your teeth. There are no shadows here that will be of use to you. Not even the ground beneath your feet is yours. There are no places you can hide. Not from me.
Hasin adik. Quest seram ha. Halo. Isa kang girangas. Okay. Shut the fuck up, team. Inuusa kasi dako sa kasanglit. Isa si pero kakpo. Familiar si community nga. Kunin sa mga napakaganda. Apa? Dipasang na lang pa si Sok. Nagtas wakira pisang nagkusok ka. Suriyak to sa maramam. Nice. 기름에 감박닭도 기름에 감박닭도
The subject scrambles for an advantage. They appear lost and disoriented. Heavy breathing is indicative of fear, and rightly so. Let's test the response to said fear when pushed into action.
I see. Java. ba? Matong-itok si Masakay. Sabing gisan ni kontrol ni Kokto ngayon saniyak sa ribara.
I have seen enough. Thank you. Lucy.
Kontrol ni Kokto niya yung nginaw. Inangin na mo. Ay, sunak siya pa rin ng nekla. Okay. Ala sa tekon. Andito si Uri Bampang.
Would you wanna be my friend? Press the button to brush my mane. Brushy, 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 brushy. Wow, aren't I glad to have a friend like you? Get it? Without someone like you to love, why, I think I'd just come apart at the seams. The name's Yarnaby. Would you wanna be my friend? Press the button to brush my mane. Brushy, 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 brushy. Wow, aren't I glad to have a friend like you? Get it? Because I'm made of yarn? Yeah, you get it. Without someone like you to love, why, I think I'd just come apart at the seams.
I see. C3 2 pam pam 3 2 pam pam 3 2 pam pam. Kontrollerer Kokto ned rangen nok. Så jeg tror der er ting 3 2. Okay, 한번 딱 들기 딱 보고 수나. Diese bitte clear note. Hier eine Ritz.
Hear me? Too much interference.
낚시를 갖고 시행이 쇼시.
Cole Journal, Entry Number 1 Reassignment Ol Cole isn't a resource extraction specialist anymore. He's a shelf keeper, basically a prison guard. I don't know how I should feel about that. The letter they sent me seemed nice enough, commending me for fixing their mistakes. I should be grateful, I suppose, but I know I'll wake up tomorrow, and the reality will hit me as it has every morning since the incident. My friends are gone. Dozens went in to clean up their mess, but only a handful came back. That guilt ate me up. Probably always will. Those of us left got a pat on the back for doing what was expected and were promptly dropped into whatever new role Playtime could find for us. They put down here with them the things that killed my friends, that would kill me too if they had their way. I've sat alone in my apartment for countless nights now, thinking it all through. The faces of my friends and my coworkers, their families, they all come to me, and in the morning, I'm there with the monsters who killed them. Maybe I'm exactly where I need to be. I can make sure they stay down here in the deepest, darkest hole imaginable, right where they belong.
Yeah, tục anh là đủ. Tama mo to kunin ko ni Ricax. Living in control. Hello everybody, how are you today? Laro ka susukang naksok, manamadun na ako nakpo. Coba pada tenang kesua, makanya sinas no pesi dak lok semestinya masih baik. Terima kasih, bye bye.